So we downtown. There's supposed to be these birds. What are they called?
Purple martins.
Purple
martins.
Purple martins.
Like 20,000 of them or something like that.
That's a lot of birds. But
It's a lot of bird poop too.
yeah. So gonna have to get ready to take a shower tonight is what you're saying, right?
No.
No?
I'm not gonna be direct.
Dodge them.
Yeah.
Dodge 'em.
Like I'm dodging these.
Tuck and roll. So we're gonna try and get some
Dude, these would be
good
dope
footage
if they're
and
on.
stuff. At least maybe some photos. And if we don't get that, I'm gonna show Andrew one of my secret spots
Won't be a secret
down
for
here.
long. Are we gonna
Oh no,
vlog it?
it'll be a secret because
Are we gonna vlog it?
I mean we can. I've done it once before.
So what you're saying
on
is
the
they
vlog.
need to go back and watch your vlogs.
Yeah, I mean they could, but they're gonna have to know a little bit of parkour and a little bit of climbing.
Dude, I don't know nothing about no parkour.
So-
I don't think I want to do this anymore.
So if they're okay with doing that to get to the spot, then that's
Okay,
fine.
Here's a question for your viewers. Put it on this plant. Does this look like a plant or a weed? Because it feels a lot like a weed, and they're in every single one of these pots.
I want to say it's probably a plant then, because they probably intentionally put it there.
It just, I don't know. Kind of
Question of the day.
Question, yeah. Now this is definitely probably, I don't know. I don't know much about plants.
And let's get some purple martins in this.
Hey, Baby! Stop! Baby, stop!